Here's some Aurora Borealis trivia. Subscribe. Which atmospheric layer do auroras occur in? Is it A, troposphere, B, thermosphere, C, exosphere, or D, stratosphere? The correct answer is B, thermosphere. What is the primary gas involved in creating auroras? Is it A, nitrogen, B, oxygen, C, helium, or D, carbon dioxide? The correct answer is B, oxygen. Over which planet do auroras also occur? Is it A, Venus, B, Mars, C, Jupiter, D, Mercury? The correct answer is C, Jupiter. What scientist coined the term Aurora Borealis? Is it A, Isaac Newton, B, Nikola Tesla, C, Galileo Galilei, or D, Albert Einstein? The correct answer is C, Galileo Galilei. On which continent can you best see auroras from Finland? Is it A, Europe, B, Africa, C, Asia, or D, South America? The correct answer is A, Europe. In what physical form are solar winds during auroras? Is it A, liquid, B, plasma, C, dust, or D, gas? The correct answer is B, plasma. What is the highest frequency of visible auroras? Is it A, green, B, yellow, C, blue, or D, red? The correct answer is D, red. What color represents low-altitude auroras? Is it A, blue, B, red, C, yellow, or D, green? The correct answer is green. What is the name for irregular auroral displays? Is it A, polar cyclones, B, ion storm activity, C, auroral substorms, or D, auroral flares? The correct answer is C, auroral substorms. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.